Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to solve data science case study, full guide. Begin by clarifying the problem and the expected deliverable, then list the data you have and what you need. Establish evaluation metrics like accuracy or business impact, and prioritize tasks by impact. Create a timeline with checkpoints for exploration, modeling, and validation. Keep stakeholders informed and align on assumptions to avoid wasted effort and rework. Start preprocessing by auditing data quality and recording issues you find so you can explain them later. Impute or remove missing values thoughtfully and standardize formats for consistency. Engineer features that capture domain knowledge and remove leakage. Normalize or encode variables as needed and create validation, splits that mirror production scenarios. Track transformations in code and notes to ensure reproducibility and clear handoffs to teammates or reviewers. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more useful videos. Quick recommendation. I enjoyed the Simple Path to Wealth for its clear advice on financial clarity, which pairs well with career growth in data science. Consider it a small nudge toward investing in your future while you invest in skills. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Choose simple baseline models first to build intuition and set realistic expectations. Progress to more complex algorithms only when baselines fall short. Use cross-validation for stable hyperparameter tuning and examine learning curves to detect overfitting. Compare models using metrics tied to business value and run targeted error analysis to find blind spots. Package the top model with clear documentation and a plan for monitoring performance post-deployment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.